friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share the new survey website where you earn your extra income by completing the survey. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and on the notification bell for my upcoming video alert. So let's start without delay. Before going to start, first we will verify the website's rating. Here you can see this survey website ratings, as per shown 4.5 rating, which is very good. Trustpilots and Sitejabbers are good review sites. So now let's go to new survey site. www.marketagent.com. Now click in member login button. Fill the sign up details as per requirement. After finishing sign-up form, go to your given email, check new received email on inbox or spam folder. Open email and activate or confirm registration. Log in your account. Click on Overview or Summary. Check current surveys and tasks. In this area, you can exchange points for money and have them transferred to your bank account. By using Skrill, PayPal, convert your points into money at any time in our exchange area or trade them for goods and services. There are transactions in the amount of 1,000, 2,500 and 5,000 bonus points available for you. The transactions that are possible with your current credit balance will be shown as active below. For security reasons, the payout can take up to minimum 3 working days. Not only your opinion counts and pays off, so you receive valuable bonus points, which are worth cash. Registration as a survey participant, 50 points. Friend invited by the survey participant, 50 points. The survey participation, you receive bonus points and you will be informed on the actual amount of points before each survey. Participation in the online task and survey, 5 to 250 points. You can see here, conversion rate, 88 Indian rupees and 63 paise equals 100 points. Here, you can directly refer your friends and colleagues. You can use banner on your websites and blogs and generate good income.
If you like this video, so please give thumbs up and share with your friends, so they can also earn.